Product design today is extremely challenging, with enormous pressure to bring new product innovations to market faster, advances in new materials and manufacturing technologies, and the growing imperative to consider sustainability, all without impacting margins. Early insight into manufacturability issues, as well as cost and sustainability drivers during the design process, can have a dramatic impact on meeting cost targets, reducing time to market, CO2 emissions, and conducting more confident sourcing and supplier negotiations. What if you could avoid unnecessary cost, speed up design cycles, and time to market with cost and manufacturability insights during the design phase? With AP Design, the design team understands how to improve the product to meet cost targets and eliminate late-stage changes that elongate the product design cycle. The valuable insight is provided on demand and, crucially, early in the design process. How does it work? Upload any 3D CAD model to aPriori's secure cloud and input a few basic production parameters. AP Design simulates the entire manufacturing process in a digital factory in minutes rather than hours, days, or weeks. What if you could quickly identify and visualize cost drivers in your parts and be presented with design guidance on how to impact them? What if you could understand how tolerances can drive specialized processes and operations that increase cost and carbon? What if you could review the impact of your design on tooling or fixturing costs? And what if all of this was available in the cloud, enabling your entire product development team to access these manufacturing insights in one centralized location in real time? AP Design, helping your product development teams to collaborate, innovate, and accelerate new higher value products to market at or below target cost and carbon. aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.